Hunter Biden legal woes expanding. I'm sure everyone by now heard the news about Hunter Biden deal being dropped and all this other stuff because of the shenanigans that went on with his legal team, the corrupt stuff that his legal team did and lied and misrepresented themselves. It's just crazy that this stuff is happening. It's playing out like a movie. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button, share this out so we can get this information out there. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and hit that alarm bell so you know when I'm putting out new stuff. Also, check out my link tree in the description. Has a link to my Patreon where I talk about things I can't talk about here. There's also a link to my Instagram and my merch store. Also, check out jjthepsychotherapist.com for news as well. All right, let's talk about this news. The public had been led to believe that Hunter Biden's plea agreement was almost finalized with the judge's approval, but in the last 48 hours, unexpected developments in court derailed the outcome. On Tuesday, Judge Marilyn Norica threatened to sanction Hunter Biden's legal team because one of the attorneys misrepresented their association with the court's clerk's office. The attorney from the law firm Lathan and Watkins allegedly falsely claimed to work for a Republican lawyer to persuade the clerk to remove certain documents containing Biden's personal tax information from the docket. I mean, this is some dirty, dirty stuff. Lathan and Watkins denied the claim, asserting that their lawyer identified himself correctly as a Latham staffer and attributed the incident to miscommunication. Yeah, right. The document in question had been filed as part of an amicus brief by House Ways and Means Committee Chairman Jason Smith, who expressed concern about leniency of Hunter Biden's plea deal and alleged political interference in the investigation. By now, everyone pretty much knows, unless you're a leftist lying to yourself or in denial, you all know that this whole thing is corrupt. This whole investigation of Hunter Biden has been corrupted. But the situation took a further turn when Hunter Biden's lawyers asked for broad immunity as part of the plea agreement on Wednesday. Judge Norica inquired about the ongoing status of the investigation into Hunter Biden, and upon learning it was still open, she postponed the approval of the plea agreement. As a result, Hunter Biden walked into the courtroom, pleaded guilty but left without a plea agreement, and pleaded not guilty to his charges by the time the court concluded its hearing. The plea agreement that could have resulted in probation for the tax charges and no punishment for the gun charges is now uncertain, and investigation's unresolved status add to the complexity. Hunter Biden's former business partner, Devin Archer, is also expected to testify before the House Ways and Means Committee, potentially revealing more information about Hunter's foreign business dealings and connections with his father, Joe Biden. The issue of FARA violations that's registered with the Department of Justice when representing a foreign government was also raised in court, raising questions about whether Hunter Biden and his partners engaged in lobbying and financial dealings related to foreign entities and possibly influencing Joe Biden during his vice presidential tenure. I mean, we got ample evidence to prove this. I've been talking about his laptop for years now. We all know it's incriminating evidence on that, and the FBI totally ignored it. But the developments in court have not been favorable for Hunter Biden, and the federal investigation remains unresolved. The plea agreement that seemed likely to be approved has hit a roadblock, leaving the situation uncertain and potentially further exposing details of Hunter Biden's business dealings and their connections to his father's political career. Y'all know that I'm gonna be on it. Y'all best believe I'm gonna be on this and keep on reporting this stuff that's going on. Do y'all think that Hunter Biden is gonna take the fall for this, or you think he's gonna get off scot-free? Let me know what you think. Leave your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe, and check out jjthepsychotherapist.com for the latest in news. Until next time, peace.